Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to import a database to your DreamHost. So first of all, you need to locate your database credentials. So for this I'm going to use DreamHost. So if your DNS is hosted with DreamHost, you want to go ahead to MySQL databases right there on the websites, and you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see databases on the server. Here it is. And once you find that, you want to go ahead and go to your user access to find your username, password, and a host name. So the host name probably will be this one. And also you want to log into your phpMyAdmin. So first let's go to user access. Now this is where you will find your password. So you just click show and copy it. And database name is here. Now let's go back to the database, MySQL database, and here is the WordPress database. So basically this is how it's called. And now we want to log into phpMyAdmin. So to do this, just go to manage websites and manage your website. And here it is, manage database. So here you can also see your phpMyAdmin login info. So just click manage and it will open up. And I'm already logged in. Now from here, you want to go ahead back to the DreamHost and go to SFTP users and files. And here you want to create a new user. So let's do that. Create a new user. So we need to create it with shell access with this one. So let's write down our username, which we will use. And once you've written down your username, choose the server and written the password, you can generate a strong password. Now you want to go ahead and click on this secure shell access and choose a shell type, which one fits you the best. I'm just going to leave it to bash and create a user like that. Now you need to wait a little bit for it to be on 100%. And now once we've done that, you want to go ahead to your find your backed up database file with SQL extension and basically upload it to your server, to your web server. So I'm just going to upload it here, import. And after that, you want to go ahead and run a command, which looks like this. I'm just going to leave this article in the description for you to copy. But basically, this is where you will enter the command, just like so. Now you may need to enter your SQL password, which you have created with that user. And after that, you want to go ahead and run this SQL command. And now once you issue this command, you need to wait a little bit and the import will be successful once it completes when the command line prompt appears right there. And that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.